Hello, what is your name?
My name is Maria Cathy Alba,
How old are you?
26 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
You have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
One,
How old?
4 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 8 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous or current employer?
2 years old.
2 years. Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Colon City.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
2,800.
How many family member there?
5.
How many children?
1.
How old?
2 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30, then I prepare the breakfast. Then after that, I wake him up the baby. Then I prepare his breakfast, and then at 9 o'clock I go to the playground. Then after playing in the playground, 11 I prepare the breakfast for baby. Then after 1 o'clock I put him to sleep, and then 2:30 we go to school, and then
Okay, do you go market?
no.
Okay. So how about dinner?
Dinner, I prepare the dinner around 6:30.
Okay.
Then they ate 7 o'clock. And then 10 o'clock I put the baby to sleep, and then 10:30 I go to sleep.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.